And here's how to cancel Zoom subscription. Open Zoom and sign into your account. Now go to your Zoom account dashboard or profile. Once you are in your Zoom profile page, in this left-hand menu scroll down. Under Admins, click on Plans and Billing. And here click on Plan Management. And under Plans and Billing, Plan Management section, here you will find all of your available subscriptions. Now all you have to need, click on the specific subscription and then follow next steps to cancel the subscription. Or here is another easiest way to cancel subscription is by clicking on this support icon. So from your Zoom account, click on this support icon. And here in this message box type, I want to cancel my Zoom subscription. And here, all you have to need, click on proceed with cancellation. And now, here, you will directly jump into your Zoom subscription page. And from here, you will be able to easily cancel your active subscription. Thanks for watching.